Girard's aging landscape was once home to a village of prairie dogs, tunnels under trees, mounds all over the grounds. Grass had given way to weeds and harbored elm tree seeds. It had certainly seen better days, and aviation was ready to change the park's ways. With the terminal landscape done, we aimed to make design details contiguous. The old trail was uneven, cracked and broken. Trees were dying, and weeds covered the ground. The new trail has been raised and made accessible. The property at the corner of Gibson and Girard had existing landscape that would remain. To work around it, we added fence and vine for screening, made sure the guy wire was safely behind it, and added an accessible concrete pad for a bus stop. After prairie dogs were relocated, weeds and wheatgrass wiped out, once the dead trees were removed, construction could commence. The new design utilized specimen trees used in the terminal landscape, pedestrian lighting to light the pathway, and swales to catch the rain. Decorative stone used at the terminal was integrated into accent walls and vine along the fence for screening. Tree wells with a separate water source should keep the trees in good shape. A smaller expanse of grass will be better for maintenance. Stone near the street, rather than grass, results in less water waste from sprinklers, and looks cleaner too. Where this landscape was initially called a park, that was removed from the description since its landscape is truly a streetscape. A path, a comfortable place to experience trees, plants, boulders, landscape. We wanted to install benches and places for respite, but with the bench-like boulders on Gibson and their naturalistic appeal, rock seats made sense. It adds continuity with the Gibson landscape. Jessie chose the lighting as it reminded her of an airplane wing. The south end of the Knott Park was cleaned up tremendously. After hearing this runoff pond/culvert called the Pit of Despair, there was no doubt it needed to be beautified. It also needed to be made safer. Since a tumble into this concrete pit could be painful, we erected a fence to separate the pedestrian path from its edge. It amazes me how it's transformed. The swales off the west curb have cuts that collect surface water and provide a little extra H2O for the plants there. Those conifers there, these are the pine trees I pointed out earlier. They were not only saved, but they were saved and designed around. During the earlier phase of ACE, the sidewalk was poured around the trees, the only place this was done. Thanks, Mr. Provine. The south end of the project, south of the Sunport, has new landscaping as well. The old chain link fence has been removed, the same fence you see here was added. Sidewalk was added that you may now walk to the airport's southern end on a route intended for pedestrians.